Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, you will be making an authentic Sri Lankan Brinjal Pahi. Brinjal Pahi is a traditional eggplant curry. This Sri Lankan vegetarian curry is sweet, tangy and spicy. These are all the elements that makes a dish popular. Here are the ingredients you need to make the sweet and sour eggplant curry. 500 grams of eggplants. These can be large or medium sized ones. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to season, 2 to 3 cups of oil to fry. You can use coconut oil or vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of ground black mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, a sprig of curry leaves, 2-inch pandan leaf, a piece of cinnamon, 1 medium-sized onion sliced fine, 3 green chilies split in the middle, 1/3 cup of white vinegar. I use coconut vinegar here. You can use any type of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, extra to add more spice to the eggplant, half a cup of thick coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Wash the eggplant, remove the stem, cut the eggplants into circles, stack them and cut them into half or strips. This depends on the size of the eggplants. Since I'm using a smaller and thinner version of the eggplant, I'm cutting the slices into half. Place the strips in a bowl, season with turmeric, salt. Combine well. Now let's fry the eggplant strips. Place a frying pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Have a plate ready with kitchen paper towels to absorb extra oil. Let the oil heat for a few seconds and fry the eggplant strips in batches. Maintain heat and fry until they are golden brown and crispy. Drain excess oil from the fried brinjals and transfer to the plate and set aside to cool. Now, let's make the sweet and sour eggplant curry. Into a medium-sized frying pan, add ground mustard powder, curry leaf, and then cinnamon, garlic, ginger, onions, green chilies, coriander powder, cumin powder, and the fennel powder, red chili powder. Gently dry roast over very low heat. Add the tamarind juice, stir, add the vinegar, stir for a few seconds, and pour in the coconut milk. Cook over low-medium heat for 3 minutes. Season with salt. Add sugar and cook until the gravy for the brinjal pahi thickens and changes color. Continue to cook over low heat and balance the sweet and sour taste of the gravy. Maintaining low heat, add the fried brinjals into the gravy until the gravy is completely absorbed into the fried brinjals. Use a fork to combine the brinjals and the thick sauce while cooking over low heat for another 2 minutes. Now, do a final taste test. Let the brinjal pahi rest. Then serve over a steaming plate of rice. And this is your authentic Sri Lankan Brinjal Pahi. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a review on the comment section.